This is Valerie and I'm a volunteer with the Autism Tree project, and I'm here to read Haircuts for Lion today by Michael Dahl. You need a haircut, little lion. Do not fret, Dad will go first. Snip, 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 snippity, snip, snip. All done. Dad feels and looks so much better. Now it's your turn, little lion. You get to wear a cape. It's a pink cape. The water is cold. Brr! He's cold. Now sit very still. His hair is wet. Snip, snip, snip. Snippity, snip, snip. The flamingo is snipping his hair. All done. Looking good, little lion. Looking good. And that's the end.